Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. Well, Jamie's World also. And today on Jamie's World, I'm going to be showing you my Nickelodeon slimes I made. There's one slime that isn't mine that my friend made. And I have some activator here with me. It's a slime sticky. Let's get started. The first slime is called Lava Slime. I didn't make this one. My friend did, and her name's Mia. It's not that stretchy, but don't judge this slime because she's 6 years old. It is really good at poking. Stretching, not so good. So, remember this one's called Lava Slime. Next one is called Pineapple Slime. And it is stretchy. I came in and correct it. Whoa. It's like a slingshot almost. But guys, believe me, it is good slime. Now, it is good at poking. Remember, it is called Pineapple Slime. Let's go on to the next slime. Let me put this one back. This one is called Peachy Grape Slime. It is a miniature slime. Like, it's a very small. It's like the first one we did. Yeah. It is stretchy. I let go. Let go. Okay, guys. It's a little sticky. Actually, no, not at all. Good at poking. Why did I do that? I just poked with one finger. Not good. People say it's not satisfying when you poke with one finger. Now, here's my favorite slime. And remember, it is called Peachy Grape Slime. My next one is my favorite slime. It is called Cotton Candy Frappuccino. It is really pretty, guys. Look. It might look like it's white, but it's not. And it's good at poking. Good at stretching. And it let go. But trust me, this is probably my prettiest slimes. And at the end of this video, comment down below. Comment down below which is your favorite slime. That sounded weird. Okay, guys. Well, comment down below. Because we're done. I don't know why I did that. But comment down below which one was your favorite slime. Bye!